Suppose we have a dataset having the project details for some employees. Now, suppose your manager wants you to extract some specific details for an employee without manual filtering and frequent copy-pasting to avoid duplication of efforts. You have a source database, as you can see on the left, and suppose you just need to filter specific employee details for limited columns, as you can see on the right. Now, you can create a simple drop-down for the required fields, as I have created here in columns A and B. Now, you can use a filter formula below the specific columns where you need the filtered details. Let's see how to use this formula. In the cell G6, you can see there are two filters used. First, we will see how the second filter formula is applied. Is equal to filter, then select array from source database as A6 to E16. Then for the include argument, we have two conditions, one st, employee name, and two nd, project status. So we will add these two conditions using a multiplication sign. First condition is employee name array and is equal to B1. Second condition is project status array and is equal to B2. Now close the brackets 2 times. So, our first filter is done. Now, to get the results under the specific column, use another filter outside the applied filter, and then select include array as A6 to E6 from the source database and is equal to G5. Freeze the columns and rows accordingly using the $ with F4 in this way. Our second filter is applied. Now, to avoid getting formula errors when our defined criteria is not found in the source database, we use if error formula and use NA for all such not found cases. In this way, we can see when I change the employee name and project status, I get the filtered results for that particular employee under the specific heads. This way, we can avoid manual copy-pasting using this dynamic filter function to automate the filters, and even when the columns are not in exact sequence as the source database. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.